Find the average of the differences in the values of a Canadian dollar and a US dollar from 1994 to 1998. Now this is according to the Bank of Canada in the World Almanac. So here are the years, Canadian dollars right here, the US dollars are all 100. So the difference again is when you subtract those. So the difference, negative 27, negative 27, negative 26, negative 28, negative 32. First thing we're gonna have to do when we're finding the average is we add up all those values. So these are all negative. So what we can do from the previous rules on the previous section was we can just add them up and keep it negative, right? If they're all the same. So if we add 7 and 7, that's 14, plus 6 is 20, plus 8 is 28, plus 2 is 30. Carry the 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if we add them all up, we get 140, but remember they were all negative, so that'll be negative 140. Whoops. When you're finding the average, you have to divide it by however many values there were. There were 5 numbers that we added up here, so we're gonna have to divide this by 5. We have a negative divided by a positive, one of each, so it results in a negative number. Now, we might not know what 140 divided by 5 is, so let's do some long division. 5 doesn't go into 1. How many 5s in 14? 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. Bring down your 0. How many 5s go in 40? Yes, 8. So we have 28. But in this case, it would be negative 28.